Hello and welcome to Laurice's Kitchen. Remember that ghost pepper pineapple relish we put together a little while ago? Well, today we're using it in some ghost popper bites. Let's see what we're gonna need. I have about 1.5 pounds of jalapeno peppers. These have been seeded and diced. This is 1 pound of bacon. This has also been diced, and it's easier to do when this is partially frozen. This is 4 medium shallots. These have been diced very finely. We'll also need salt and pepper. This is 1 pound of softened cream cheese. And we're gonna need about 1/2 cup of our ghost pepper pineapple relish. We'll be making our popper bites in wontons. We start by rendering this bacon. Let me do it. Make sure your skillet's large enough because we're gonna be putting the jalapenos in here as well. This bacon will continue to cook, so we're gonna add in our shallots and jalapenos. This is cooked down just a little bit, so we're going to season it with a little bit of salt and pepper. We need our filling to be completely cooked because it's only going to be in the oven for about 5 minutes. Once this is fully cooked, we will be draining off the excess bacon grease. All right, this looks like it's done. We'll take this over and drain it. This doesn't need to be an exact measure. We're just mixing the cream cheese and the relish together first. This is 60 wonton wrappers. It fits 2 regular size pans and 1 small mini cupcake pan. And we just need to put these all in here. These get baked first. I blotted the bacon and jalapeno filling on paper towels as well. We want to get as much of the grease off as possible. This is just getting mixed in with our cream cheese mixture. I have this filling in a 16-inch piping bag. It's just the easiest way to get it in these wontons. Remember, we are doing 60, so don't overfill them too much. It's time to give our ghost popper bites a taste. Now, I know they're delicious because I've had them before, and I'm probably not going to be able to say anything. Let's choose one here. It's going to be crunchy too. Oh my heavens. Perfect. Thank you for visiting Laurice's Kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, give the like button a click and don't forget to leave a comment. We're always happy to hear from you. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and don't keep us a secret. Share our videos with your friends and family. You can follow us on Facebook for behind-the-scenes pics and videos, and on Twitter for upcoming videos and the random cat picture.